What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another mukbang video. Today we're eating, as you can tell by the title and this bag in front of me. Eating some Panda Express. I love Panda Express, but definitely won't ever say it's authentic Chinese food. I won't disrespect the culture like that, but I definitely still enjoy it. Let's see what we got in this bag. What is this? I'm hungry, so let's see. I want to say thank you to the new subscribers. And if you're new here and this is your first time seeing me, hello. Thank you for stopping by and subscribe, please. That'd be awesome. I think I got the mushroom chicken. There you go. Get to that mushroom chicken in there. You're gonna see a common theme in life. Just chicken. And I'm excited they brought back the honey sesame chicken. I was mad when they took that away. I was like, why would y'all do that? Like, that don't make any sense. So let's see. Ooh, and they're neat. It's actually in there pretty neat. As you can see, I got the half and half. Half fried rice, half lo mein, or I think that's what it's called. Orange chicken, orange sesame chicken. A lot of people don't seem to know that you can get half and half. You don't have to just get one or the other. You're welcome. I changed a couple people's lives with that, so I'll give you that. Let me see what this fortune cookie say. Y'all know I can't read. I hope it got a picture on it. Big baby hungry too. Your familiar smile. Your familiar smile will help a troubled family member. Hopefully. There you go. Everybody say I should smile more. But they don't know I'm a gangster, so don't do all that. No, I'm joking. I'm too lazy to be a gangster. It's too much effort. Way too much effort. Alright, guys. Put that aside. I ain't got time for that. Time to get real. You know what? I should just dump this at the top. Oh, big baby about to get filthy. Oh, fuck yeah. I hate y'all really can't see it too much, but work with me now. I just put that there for branding. Put it over here for branding. Wow. Blip. No, right there. Blip. So people know what's going on. Alright. Let's get into it. First, we gotta say a prayer. Yeah, my hat's still on. Don't judge me. I need a haircut, so. Let's see. I always gotta keep some green tea on deck. I love Panda. But I have a friend telling me that Payway is better, way better. I haven't tried it yet, though. This on the sesame chicken is legit. What's your favorite? Where do you get at Panda Express? Let me know that. What would a smart thing to do? I probably should have put this on a plate. I messed that up. It's too late now. The slaughter has begun. So y'all can see what's going on. Sorry. I'll do better next time. done. Under 15 minutes. Until next time, man. Y'all take care. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know. Y'all don't listen to me. Well, take care.